When an LLM's memory gets creative, that's when hallucinations come into play. A memory illusion doesn't just lead to forgetfulness, it leads to invention. Think of it like a human confidently misremembering a conversation and pretending that false information is a fact. A hallucination is a confident but incorrect or fabricated output. ChatGPT isn't trying to lie, it simply is predicting the most likely next word based on patterns it's seen. But when it lacks the real information, it fills that gap with fiction. Why hallucinations happen? Hallucinations primarily occur for 4 key reasons. Memory gaps, so this is when the LLM forgets something you told it earlier, or never had the data in the first place. It may inaccurately try to reconstruct the missing information. Then we have ambiguous prompts. If your question is vague, the LLM may guess what you meant and guess wrong, so be specific. Lack of grounding. Unless you're using web tools, the LLM relies solely on its internal training data. Sometimes that data is outdated, misrepresented, or simply doesn't cover your specific topic. And finally, format pressure. When you ask for citations, the LLM may invent sources in the correct style. It's completing the shape of your answer, but not verifying the truth. So, how to avoid and catch hallucinations? You can significantly reduce errors by being proactive. Ask the LLM to fact-check itself. Use self-awareness prompts. Try phrases like, "Are you confident in that answer?" or "If you're unsure, just say so." Separate writing from verifying. Let the LLM draft, brainstorm, or outline, but always double-check factual claims. This is especially critical for names, statistics, and direct quotes. Use the web wisely. Ask your LLM to pull in updated information directly from the web, if available, to immediately reduce the risk of relying on old training data. Handling hallucinated memory. One of the trickiest situations is a hallucinated memory where the LLM confidently insists you told it something that you didn't. To manage this, stay organized. Use clear thread titles and folders for different projects. Clarify the context. So if you're starting a new session on an old topic, briefly remind the AI of the core context. Don't assume. Check the AI's work like you would an eager intern. Smart and helpful, but not perfect. So, key takeaways. Memory is contextual. LLM memory is limited. Use shorter threads and project folders to your advantage. Hallucinations are guesses, not lies. They result from a lack of memory or vague input. Be specific and verify. Be highly specific in your prompts, verify all facts, and use project organization to improve coherence and reduce errors.